Yeah, so language mostly becomes a barrier in communication, especially when people marry from different tribes or different nationality. Yes, so guys, you're welcome back to another episode of the Daily Entertainment Gossip Show right here on Odate TV. As always say, if you are new here, kindly subscribe to this channel and also click on the bell icon right next to the subscribe button, so anytime I drop a new content, you will be the first to be notified. Yeah, so today's gossip has to do with Patapaa and his German girlfriend. Yeah, so as you already know, earlier this year or some few days into this year, Patapaa tied the knot to his German girlfriend Lehamela. Yeah, so almost every day their names pop up in entertainment headlines in Ghana. Yeah, so this time around the two are actually having a nice time together. Like I said, language is definitely a barrier, as you already know. Patapaa's wife is a German, okay, or she's a German nationality, and so Patapaa is a Ghanaian. Even Patapaa does not also have very strong control over the English language. So people are wondering how these two can be able to, communicate effectively. But I mean, they find their own ways of communicating. And guys, a video which has actually gone viral on social media has the two communicating, or Patapaa's wife teaching her husband how to speak the German language. And Patapaa was in the video. Patapaa was seen actually questioning his wife how to pronounce or how to say certain things in the German language. And it seems some few days or some few weeks or months or even years to come, they're going to relocate to Germany, and therefore Patapaa has to have a very strong control over the German language, because when he goes to Germany, he has to be able to speak the language. Guys, watch the video and see how the two were actually finding their ways about communicating in the German language.
In your language, 20 Ghana.
20.
20.
No, we said 20.
Stabantisch.
20.
Slantfisch.
20.
Yeah.
This is 10. Say 10. 10.
10.
10.
Is that 10 there?
10. 10 Ghana cedis.
10.
10.
10 Ghana cedis. Okay. 10.
10.
10.
Yeah.
Means 10 Ghana cedis.
20.
Yeah, guys, what is your honest opinion on the video after watching it? How Patapaa was, learning how to pronounce some of the Dutch words, and also how to pronounce some of the German language by his wife and all that? Or you think Patapaa should stick to the English language and master it very well so he can communicate fluently with his wife? Or you think vice versa? Can you drop your comment in the comment section below? Let's get interactive in there. Okay, guys, all too soon come to the end of the Daily Entertainment Gossip Show right here on Odate TV. As always, if you are new here, kindly subscribe to this channel and also click on the bell icon right next to the subscribe button, so that anytime I drop a new content, you will be the first to be notified. And so don't forget to also follow me on all social media platforms at odate.gh. I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.